Hello students, let us see this question here. An alpha particle of energy this is scattered through 180 degree by a fixed uranium nucleus. So what is the distance of closest approach, it is asking in the question, and four options are given. It is asking of the order here. So let us see the uranium nucleus, that will be 92E, because the number of protons in in uranium is 92, and the alpha particle is approaching here. So suppose the alpha particle, it will be 2E, because the charge on alpha particle is 2. Okay, and it is approaching towards. All right, so it is asking what is the closest approach, and here the energy is given. Okay, so here the kinetic energy is 5 mega electron volt. So it is moving in this direction, let us suppose. So after some time, so this is the initial situation. So this is the initial situation here. Okay, after some time, this will be 92E, and the alpha particle will approach. So suppose here it came up to this point. Alright, and as you all know, the mass of uranium is very large as compared to alpha. So whatever force is acting on the uranium particle, that will be very small, and you can assume as if this uranium remains at rest only for the entire interaction process. So here this will remain at rest, here it is at rest, and here also it will remain at rest, assuming that the mass of uranium is very large as compared to alpha particle. And since in this case it is the nearest right, so it is the closest approach here. So let us assume this distance is r, I am taking r1, you can take, and since this is the closest approach, so here the speed of alpha particle will also be 0. So at this moment it will also come at rest at this moment. All right, so now you can say whatever the kinetic, so you can conserve the energy here. So whatever total energy is there initially, that will remain same finally. So let us conserve the energy in this question. So this is the final. So U initial plus K initial must be equal to U final plus K final. So U initial, since you can assume that here the distance between them is very large, so there is no interaction energy here. So this is U initial is 0. The kinetic energy only will be there on this part because this is at rest. So that will be 5 mega electron volt is equal to finally the kinetic energy will become 0 because this is also at rest and this is also, and this also came at rest. So both are at rest. So the final kinetic energy will be 0 once again. And the final potential energy you can write here K Q1 Q2, so that is 2E and 92E upon R, and both are positive charges, so K Q1 Q2 upon R. So from here all an R1 you can take. So I need to find the value of R1 here. So let us take R1 will be equal to K into 2 into 92 into E square upon 5 mega electron volt. So 5 into 10 raised to power 6, that is mega, and electron volt 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule SI unit. So value of K you can put here, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, right, 2 into 92 into E square, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 square, right, E, okay, because right everything I am taking in SI system. So value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb divided by this 5 into 10 raised to power 6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. If you do this calculation, I am omitting this part here. Okay, if you will do this calculation, then you will get the value something like this: 5.29 into 9.2, sorry, 529.92 into 10 raised to power minus 16 meter. So since we will see options here, all the options are given in centimeter. So 3 options are given in centimeter. So let us convert this into centimeter now. So we'll get 529 0.92 into 10 raised to power minus 16. This is 100 centimeter. So here we'll get, and if I do further, so this will become 529.92 into 10 to the power minus 14 centimeter. And since we need to find the order here, so I will have to do further here. So 5.2992 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 into 100 centimeter. So this will become 5.2992 into 10 raised to power minus 12 centimeter. Okay, so from here I can see what is the order. You can easily see the order is coming 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter. So option B is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.